Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am discuss this important topic, complex number and complex variable. This is the most important topic for PPSC, FPSC and NTS related test. You know about complex number? Any complex number which is written in form a plus b iota, where iota is square root minus 1. Taking square on both sides, it means iota square is equal to minus 1 and so on. And this symbol is for conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number, you know, this is obtained by changing the sign of imaginary number, and I'm here to discuss only the most important and direct formulas which are useful for solving all MCQs. Okay student, Z bar, this is a symbol for modulus. The modulus of a complex number which is equal to the square root of a square plus b square square root. Okay, these terms you know already very well, but the new term is argument. Argument of a complex number Z. Argument means student angle. Angle, which angle? Here student, if this is a point, complex number, complex point Z, okay, and this line make the angle with x-axis, this is called argument of a complex number, and the short form is ARG. This is very important topic for FPSC, PPSC test. The most important, the value of theta, value of angle of complex number is called argument. Okay, so now I'm discussed the previous past paper MCQs, the most important MCQs which is related to this term. Here student, what is the value of ARG, the argument of 1 minus square root 3 iota, and then how can you find this? Student, first and all, you see real part, this one, it is belongs to x-axis and this belongs to y-axis. X-axis plus 1, it means x is positive, y is negative. So this point lie from in fourth quadrant. This complex number lie in fourth quadrant. And what is the angle? And angle yx, the formula for finding the angle or the argument is theta is equal to tan inverse y over x. So here y is square root 3 or 1 tan inverse square root 3. Square root 3 tan inverse result is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. But point lie in fourth quadrant, since angle in fourth quadrant, so angle will be 360 minus 60, which is equal to 300. Okay student, this is the formula for finding the argument of any complex number. What is the formula? Tan inverse y over x. And what is x? Y. X is the real part and y is a imaginary part. And I hope so you understand this topic. Now move to some more important MCQs. Yes student, these are 3 important MCQs. First MCQs now discuss recently. Argument, value of argument 1 plus iota square root 3. Real positive, imaginary positive, it means the first quadrant, the point lie in first quadrant. 1 square root 3, it means square root 3 over 1 tan inverse square root 3 is 60 degree. And due to first quadrant, it is only a plus 60 degree. It is very simple. But here the next, if the argument of z is any complex number, is any angle theta. Argument of complex number is angle theta. The value of argument of z bar means conjugate. So students, conjugate, what is the conjugate? Conjugate which is obtained by changing the sign of imaginary part. Imaginary part means only y axis, shift the y axis positive to negative, negative to positive. It means if z in first quadrant, then conjugate in fourth quadrant. If complex number is second, then conjugate is third. Only y axis, due to conjugate only y axis shift and x axis, the real number remains same and imaginary number is changed with the sign. So if argument of complex number is theta, then the argument of its conjugate will be negative of theta. Okay student, and this is the most important. Z 1 plus square root 3, from here argument is 60 degree. This one, argument of z. Students, focus on this MCQs. Argument of z is 60 degree here, and again the argument of a conjugate. Conjugate means here it is minus 60, negative angle due to conjugate. And then sum. Most of the students make a mistake due to plus 60 minus 60 and then add, then result is 0. But here focus on this MCQs. This sign is the modulus. It becomes all values positive. It means plus 60 minus 60, it becomes a positive 60 due to this modulus. It means the whole angle is 60 plus 60, which is equal to 120 degree student. Here. So be careful for solving MCQs, because your one mistake lost 1.25 marks in PPSC test. I hope you enjoy and understand this today's lecture. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for upcoming next lectures. Thank you for watching. Take care.